The cover, copy, compare method is a great intervention strategy for students who are struggling to learn their math facts. The strategy begins with the teacher selecting approximately 10 math facts for the student. The teacher then formats these math facts as so. I am using the vertical formatting, but you can also use the horizontal format. The teacher also will fold the paper along the dotted line as so. The student then uses the pre-fold to cover the math facts as so. The student then will copy the math facts from memory into the middle column. Once the student has completed the entire page, they will then unfold the page to compare. I will complete 2 math facts now, for example. I will now example the compare process. The student begins by comparing the math fact to their answer. If the answer is correct, they move on to the next row. If the student gets the incorrect answer, they will draw a line through the response. Once the response is the line through, they will then restudy this math fact. When they are done studying the math fact again, they will cover the math fact and copy the math fact from memory into the third column as so. If the student gets the math fact correct, they move on to the next row, and this compare process is repeated for all rows of the worksheet on both pages. Once the student is completed the cover, copy, compare process, they will turn these worksheets into the teacher, where the teacher uses the cover, copy, compare log to record the math facts that the student has mastered. This will be math facts that the student has mastered on the first attempt. The math fact will be written here, and the date the math fact has been mastered will be written here. This will keep track of all math facts that the student has mastered during the year. This is the cover, copy, compare method.